Hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process on how to achieve this hairstyle. Starting on my washed hair, the first thing I'm doing is making a part going from ear to ear to separate my hair and to make back and front sections. So at this point, I brushed and kept the back section away and work with the front first. Right. Starting about midway, I'm making a part slanting the hair to create a triangular shape. After that, take some gel to slick the hair down. I also apply edge control at the edge as well as the part I made. After that, use rubber band and hold the hair in a ponytail. For the side parts, I'm making another part starting from the edge of the part that I made and then dividing the hair in half, going in downward diagonal direction. Then I apply some gel in each section, brush to smooth the hair and make ponytails. I did the same thing to this part. Now moving to the back section, I made 10 cornrows. The cornrows does not need to be perfect because it will be completely covered. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Thank you. Now I'm going to go ahead and crochet the back section with this coily hair. At this point, I'm done crocheting all the back section. For the parts I made at the front, I'm attaching 3 strands of this coily hair. Then braid for about an inch and twist down the entire length. After twisting, I wrap the hair around to make Bantu knots. I did the same thing to each of the sections. This is the final look and I'm super excited of how the hair turned out. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all soon.